professional mini skid steer loader manufacturer in China. Welcome to HeavyKen Machinery. We are a professional manufacturer specializing in mini skid steer loaders and attachments. Located in Yantai, Shandong, China, HeavyKen Machinery is dedicated to providing compact, powerful, and reliable equipment solutions for customers around the world. For many years, we have focused on one mission: to build mini skid steer loaders that deliver excellent performance, durability, and real value for operators, dealers, and distributors. Before entering the mini skid steer loader industry, our team had 15 years of experience in producing attachments of excavator and skid steer. Through this experience, we learned what operators really need from a compact machine. A good mini skid steer loader is not only about engine power. It needs a strong structure, reliable hydraulic performance, easy maintenance, comfortable operation, and the ability to work with different attachments. That is why we decided to focus our experience and technology on developing better mini skid steer loaders. Today, HeavyKen Machinery operates a modern production workshop covering around 3,200 square meters. Although we are not the biggest factory, we believe quality and efficiency are more important than simply having a large facility. Inside our factory, every production step is carefully organized, including steel fabrication, welding, assembly, testing, customization, and final shipment preparation. Unlike factories that only assemble machines, HeavyKen controls the key manufacturing processes by ourselves. The production starts with raw material inspection. Before manufacturing, all steel materials are carefully checked to ensure they meet our quality standards. Then, advanced laser cutting equipment is used to produce accurate components according to our engineering designs. After cutting, parts go through CNC bending and welding processes to create the strong frame structure of the loader. The frame is the foundation of the machine. A strong frame means better durability, better performance, and a longer service life. Our experienced welding technicians pay special attention to important stress areas to make sure every machine can handle tough working conditions. After welding inspection, the frames enter the painting process. We carefully control the paint quality to protect the machine in different working environments. For dealers and distributors, we also provide customized colors, logos, and branding solutions to meet different market requirements. After painting, each loader moves to our assembly line. At HeavyKen, we support both standard production and customized orders. Whether customers need different engines, hydraulic systems, attachments, or special configurations, our team can provide flexible solutions. A mini skid steer loader is a compact but highly integrated machine. The engine, hydraulic system, electrical system, controls, and attachments must work together perfectly. That is why our assembly technicians carefully check every detail, from hydraulic connections to control functions, before the machine leaves our factory. Because we believe reliability comes from thousands of small details working together. One of HeavyKen's biggest advantages is our customization capability. Different customers have different applications. Some work in landscaping, some work in construction, farms, rental businesses, and property maintenance. To meet different needs, we provide various engine options, hydraulic configurations, and attachment solutions. Depending on customer requirements, we can offer diesel and gasoline engine options from brands such as Yanmar, Kubota, Riggs & Stratton, and other solutions. Attachments are also an important part of our business. A mini skid steer loader is not only a machine, it is a powerful working platform. With different attachments, one loader can complete many different jobs. HeavyKen provides attachments including buckets, grapple buckets, forks, augers, trenchers, hydraulic breakers, power rakes, and customized tools. Our engineering team works closely on the matching between loaders and attachments, including hydraulic flow and mounting systems, to ensure efficient operation. Before shipping, every HeavyKen loader goes through strict testing. We test the hydraulic system, travel performance, attachment functions, operating controls, and loaded working performance. Our goal is simple. When customers receive their machine, it should be ready to work. Quality starts with every component we choose. Over the years, HeavyKen has built stable partnerships with reliable suppliers for important parts such as hydraulic components, engines, bearings, and electrical systems. This helps us maintain consistent quality and provide better support for international customers. Today, HeavyKen Machinery is expanding our global dealer network. We are looking for professional partners, equipment dealers, rental companies, and distributors around the world who want to bring reliable mini skid steer loaders to their local markets. At HeavyKen, we believe long-term partnerships are built on trust, quality, and continuous improvement. Thank you for visiting HeavyKen Machinery. We look forward to working with partners worldwide and bringing compact power to more job sites around the world. HeavyKen Machinery, your dedicated mini skid steer loader manufacturer.